A huge welcome to Steve's Mexican kitchen. Again, we're cooking one of those classic Mexican dishes that we had when we were in Mexico just recently. You can't be very far, almost in any street in Mexico where they're selling elote. You really can't beat it. The smell of corn on the street. It's one of my favorite Mexican street foods. I'm going to make some delicious elote and you're going to see how simple it is and how delicious this is. And once you've tried it, if you haven't tried it before, you're going to love this. Come on, let's get and make elote. First thing, we want to get our corn cooked. Now you can boil these in a little bit of water, maybe with some onions and parsley. It only takes about 3 minutes and they're ready to go. Or you can take them in the husk, as I've done many times on the channel before. Pop them into the microwave for 3 minutes and they will cook perfectly tender, and you can pop them out, peel them, and we'll be ready to go. These ones I'm going to do the traditional Mexican way. We're going to pop them in the hot water. Now they only have to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to take that hot corn. Now I've got these little bamboo skewers. In Mexico they use the little wooden skewers. I'm going to start it in the center there, give it a little push in. Then just like I see the vendors, I'm going to tap that down on my board and the skewer's going to go deep into the corn, make it nice and solid. Next we're just going to take ourselves a lime and we're going to cut myself a quarter. I want to get lots of nice lime juice into the corn. Now I'm using sour cream here. Now in Mexico they said it was a cream. It tasted a little sour to me, so I think sour cream seems to be the best substitute. Give that a nice coating of cream. Next I'm going to put some mayonnaise. I'm just going to actually squeeze the mayonnaise onto the corn cob. So now we've got mayonnaise and sour cream. Now I'm going to sprinkle over the corn with some dried Parmigiano cheese. Now in Mexico they use a cotija cheese, which is actually really delicious. It's a little bit of a combination between a cottage cheese and a feta. I can't get it here, but I think Parmesan works quite well. Now the finishing touches are some beautiful chili. I've actually mixed some smoked paprika and chili in my little shaker here, and I'm going to put this over the top of my corn. Now they really do coat this over fairly heavily, so go towards those sort of chili flavors. If you like a hot spicy chili, it works really well. Now my favorite place also put a little extra lime over the top, so I'm just going to squeeze some lime over this. And I'm also going to season that up with a small amount of sea salt. Are you hungry yet? I know I am. Well, I'm going to put a napkin around this one and it goes to the camera girl. Don't you wish you were me? Look at this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to tuck into this. I'm going to have a go. Oh man. I wish I could have got the white corn they had in Mexico, but this is just as good. It tastes delicious. Now don't forget, we've got a whole Mexican series coming out. We'll be doing the tamales very shortly. There's a lot of fun in Steve's Mexican kitchen. Just in time, the neighbors have just started up the lawnmower, so I'm going to get on and enjoy my elote. Have a wonderful day, be good, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.